Fire safety is not only required by law, it is also an extremely important to obtain the safety of assets, employees, and others who might be in the building. Fires are damaging to property, cause injury or death. The way to prevent these fire outcomes is proper fire safety measurements. Welcome to Silvertech Engineers. Over the last 7 years, we have been providing fire safety equipments, services, and annual maintenance services across India that keeps companies fully compliant, fully secured, and most importantly, safe from fire. We use our experience to find the most cost-effective solution to ensure legal compliance with the fire safety law in place. We have a team of highly experienced engineers who are expert in fire safety, which means we can recommend the best solution for your business. We provide services to reduce the risk of fire for any building and have many satisfied clients in range of industries, schools, hotels, restaurants and offices. We also work with facility management companies, commercials and residential property and commercial managers. We offer following solutions: fire hydrant system, pumping skid, hydrant valve, hose reel drum, hose pipe, branch pipe, fire sprinkler system, fire alarms, smoke detector, heat sensor, panel, modules, ready modules, monitor modules, NLD, hooter, ABC type fire extinguisher, CO2, mechanical foam, water CO2, fire suppression systems, FM 200, Novik 1230, CO2 flooding, fire risk assessment, fire safety training, first aid and evacuation training, emergency lighting, passive fire protection, fire stopping and fire doors, fire safety equipment and signage, public address system, flooding system, annual maintenance services. We have a team of fire safety engineers who have detailed knowledge of all fire safety systems and services. We will arrange to service or install your units at a time convenient to you, so there is a minimal disruption to your workplace. Our pricing structure is set and we will always quote a remedial works prior to installation. If you would like to take advantage of this free service, please call our head office on 90968 63737 and we will arrange for your local fire safety advisor to visit your premises. For more details, you may contact us.